Hey everyone, welcome back to this week's episode of Friday Fabric Finds. Today is Friday, October 17th. I'm Mitchell, I'm a manager here.
And I'm Clint, I'm kit production manager.
So without further ado, let's get started.
Okay, so first thing we want to talk about this morning is a sale we've got going on the Made the Grade quilt kits. These kits are featuring Summertime Daydream from Wilmington. They're made using some very easy to use pre-cuts, just 10-inch squares and 2.5-inch strips. These kits were regularly priced at $99.96, but they are on sale for $62.96. These kits deliver summer sweetness with a pop of patriotic flair, so you'll definitely make the grade by saving on the Made the Grade kit.
Next up, we have Radiant from Moda. With this, we have 36-inch panels. We have the garden trellis quilt kits. We have fat quarter bundles. We also have the full collection of yardage. It's a very vibrant forward group, so you can expect patterns such as ombre patterns, florals, leaves, geometric words, reeds, and dots, and a wide color scheme of really any color you can imagine. So more like a full rainbow of colors, so you can expect a lot of cool patterns with this one. So if you're interested in this one, you can make your project shine bright with Radiant from Moda.
So now we'd like to talk about Evening on the Prairie from Riley Blake. For this collection, we've got the Prairie House Embroidery USB, 60-inch apron panels, 60-inch tote bag panels, the Evening Star boxed quilt kits, 10-inch stackers, 5-inch stackers, as well as yardage of the full collection and more in patterns such as florals, berries, silhouettes, geo-florals, geo-leaves, and plaids in colors such as purple, gold, red, pink, green, brown, and cream. So if that sounds like something you'd be interested in, wrap yourself in the comforting warmth of autumn with Evening on the Prairie.
Next up, we have Little Seedlings Farm from Blank. With this, we have 24-inch panels. We have Farm Friends quilt kits. We also have fat quarter bundles that have 2 panels with them, and also the full collection of yardage. As you expect with the name of it, it's a very farm forward group, so you can expect patterns such as farm animals, barns, tractors, cow hides, and barn wood textures. This is a lighter colored themed group, so you can expect the colors to be red, brown, pink, white, and gray, with most of those white and grays being the background of these, with lots of animals. So if you're interested in this collection, you can round up your little ones with Little Seedling Farm from Blank.
Now we'd like to talk about Feline Frisky from Wilmington. With this collection, we've got 5-inch squares, 10-inch squares, tote bag kits, the Feline Frisky quilt kits, as well as the full collection yardage. This collection, you can expect patterns like stripes, yarn balls, words, paw prints, and of course cats. The colors on this one are going to be teal, yellow, blue, purple, orange, white, and black. So why not make a perfect quilt using Feline Frisky from Wilmington?
Next up, we want to highlight Painted Cactus from Timeless Treasure. It's a very small collection, but we do feature the fat quarter bundles and the full yard collection. On the fat quarter bundle, there's also some blenders involved. With this, you can expect patterns such as Southwest pottery, Southwest blankets, chili peppers, and garden florals. The colors in this group are orange, turquoise, red, green, and pink. So if anything in this group is interesting to you, you can spice up your stash with Painted Cactus from Timeless Treasures.
Now we just want to let you know about another sale we've got going on. We've got some panels on sale from Backyard BBQ by Clothworks. These panels serve up rustic charm and backyard flavor, perfect for aprons, mitts, wall art, or gifts for your favorite grill master. The 45-inch canvas apron panel was regularly priced at $18.96 each, and we've got them on sale for $11.96. And the 24-inch blocks panels, those are regularly priced at $10.96, and now we've got them on sale for $5.56 each. I'm telling you, this is a sale so good you will sizzle, so why not fire up the savings with these smoking panels from Clothworks?
Next up, I want to highlight a hot pre-order, meaning it is selling quick, so you make sure you want to go check it out right now. It is the Bouquet of Hydrangeas quilt kit. This is featuring Riley Blake's Hydrangeas in the Garden. It is priced at $220.96. The kits are scheduled to ship out in February to March, somewhere in that time frame. Make sure to go pre-order the Bouquet of Hydrangeas before they wilt up.
As always, we want to direct your attention to our 1-yard cuts. These are all only $9.96 each. We are adding new prints all the time. They are pre-cut, full of personality, and ready to grab. There is no cutting table required for us or for you. Multiples won't be continuous, so if you get 3 1-yard cuts of the same print, they will be 3 individually cut 1-yard pieces. That sounds interesting to you? We always recommend buzz on over to our website to check out our 1-yard cuts.
Next up, I want to highlight the comment of the week. I also want to point out we did have a ton of comments in our last video, and we want to appreciate all of y'all, especially the ones that we are not going to be highlighting today. But I do know last week we asked a question regarding our college collections that we are getting, and we asked y'all what college you might want to see us pull in or whatever the sorts. So a lot of these comments are going to be based around that. So let's get right into it. First up, I want to highlight Miriam Patton, who says, I've been looking for Georgia Tech fabric for a long time. I've not been to a quilt store in Georgia, but I have looked at several that have an online store, but alas, to no avail. I know there are Georgia Tech graduates living in Texas, actually a lot of them, so maybe I'm not the only one. And as always, I really enjoy your Friday Fabric Finds videos. Well, first off, thank you so much, Miriam. We appreciate that you enjoy these videos and come and check them out all the time. There is a very good possibility that we're going to be able to get a Georgia Tech line, so make sure to keep your eyes peeled. Don't want to make any promises of when we're getting it or anything, but it is very possible that we can get that, so make sure you keep checking out with us.
The next comment we want to highlight is from Bianca Coker 4192, and they say, looking for University of Arkansas fabric, might also like Clemson and University of Southern California. Love the solids that go with the prints you do have. Will you get any flannels? Well, we just wanted to say Arkansas is not licensed to Cykel yet, unfortunately, but Clemson and Southern Cal are. So definitely keep your eyes peeled. And flannel is not offered by Cykel. We might get fleece though. So definitely let us know if fleece is something that y'all would be interested in.
Lastly, I want to highlight Trish Smith 148, who asks, what about the University of Arizona? Sadly, Arizona is also not licensed with Cykel yet. We hope they do at some point soon, where if down the line they do, you can make sure to keep your eyes peeled. But for now, sadly, we will not be able to get that one. But that's going to do it for our comment of the week this time. So if you want to be featured in next week's video, make sure to drop your comments down below. Also, in terms of comment of the week, I want to ask y'all for this next week, what are y'all planning on to dress up as for Halloween this year? Make sure to drop those down below.
All right, that's going to do it for us this week. As always, we want to thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, subscribe, and ring that bell for notifications. Definitely leave a comment. You might be featured in the comment of the week. Follow us on social media. All of our links are down in the description, and we will see you next week.
Thank you for watching.